Running a restaurant? QR codes are your secret ingredient to better service and more engagement. Here are 5 powerful QR code types you can use with QR Code Kit. Want customers to view your menu instantly? Use the menu QR code to upload PDF files or add links directly to your online menus. Place it on tables, windows, or takeout bags. It's fast, contactless, and always available. Got a website? Use the website QR to send customers straight to your homepage, reservation system, or ordering platform. Perfect for posters, flyers, or front doors. Want to take orders or reservations via chat? Create a WhatsApp QR that opens a conversation with your restaurant. You can even pre-fill a message like, "Hi, I'd like to order for pickup." Need to boost your online presence? Use the social media QR to display all your social links, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and more, in one neat list. Great for growing followers and encouraging reviews. Want to showcase everything in one place? Use the landing page QR to create a custom mobile page with images, videos, opening hours, buttons, and more, all without coding. It's like a mini website inside a QR code. From digital menus to social links and custom pages, QR Code Kit gives restaurants flexible tools to improve customer experience and streamline operations, all with a simple scan.